light mars the fun. Hi, I'm Debbie. Best weekend ever packs in partygoers. Thousands descending on Ocherias for independence revels. But two teenagers beaten by thugs at Zimise Beach, raising concerns around crowd control at congested parties.
I came here to know the crowd, the numbers, the vibe has grown immensely.
Best weekend ever in Ocherias. I Love Soca, a tried and tested crowd pleaser.
I love soca. Like, I'm loving this vibe right now.
A sea of busy hands, the happy fed.
Anybody loves soca music? Put your hands in the air, put your hands up.
Lots of those. One of the best attended gigs over independence. The hot factor off the chart. Voice from Trinidad and Tobago, the vibe master.
I don't know about you, but I come here to fetch.
3-time Soca Monarch King, 2016, 17, 18. Youngest ever win Soca Monarch. The rest is a street. We love Jamaica. We appreciate the fans.
For selectors like JR Chromatic, the pressure is on to keep the parties pumped.
A lot of pressure, a lot of anxiety. You have to try to find the right songs, the right genre, and just the right way for deliver that for the people to be receptive. So yes, a lot of pressure.
I beg you pardon.
But the hits sure to flow.
Red light, purple light. Yo, man, big up Future Fambo. Yo, you have Wally Passan, Cartel Victory. Yo, dancehall is doing real good right now. So I'ma leave you with one that I feel like a lot of females like right now. And it's called Van Cleef. I don't know if it's the bracelet, the chain, or the song, but yeah.
Artist song for the summer right now. Fambo, red light, pepper light. Yo, madness. The young youth summer go and go this episode. Up to man like Malidan and you don't know Skipper. Even though them are war about them have some bad song. You see me like Van Cleef is a bad song. I don't know, Murder for Mine is a bad song from Skipper. So just look out for the youth. Them youth them have some bad thing going on. Events like this now you just have to come here and listen and pay attention to what the other DJs them play. So what the people them into. But you know I Love Soca is an event. It's a mixture of soca people and dancehall people. So you can't go wrong. Anything I Love Soca works.
The people who come to I Love Soca come to actually party. So you don't really have to bad them up a party. As long as you play the right music, I approach it from a point of view of I'm a patron first. Approach it as a patron and understand that several different demographics are here.
These visitors showing no signs of budget blues.
£3,000.
I think everything's total to like 3,000. Just about. So we get a boat, the villa, all the parties. So we outside. We having a good time, not for a long time.
Left to the left, to the left, to the right.
We flew in from Atlanta, Georgia, and we are here to have a ball.
So the tickets for the season pass, we got a season pass, it's about $500. Ticket and a combination, I would probably say about 1,000 between the both of us.
So splitting that between two people, we were good.
If soca was that good, I was expecting Daybreak to be just as good, you know?
And is there such a thing as party fatigue?
No, that don't exist here.
I'm here at Daybreak because of my birthday. My birthday was yesterday and I want something to ring the 30th birthday, so yes, I'm at Daybreak.
And show us how you're celebrating your friend.
Yes, so I did this for her. My intention was to stop at dinner in Kingston and just call it that. But they said, no, this weekend, let's go at least one of the parties. So we chose Daybreak because of the Western theme, because we always want to go to a Western theme party.
So I didn't plan to come to this party originally, so I didn't have anything Western, but we make it work, you know? I love how everybody turned out. Everybody came according to the theme. Everybody looks so beautiful.
Yo, I'm a Jamaican by descent,
live in DC, my friend from Nigeria, my friend from Ohio, and this is their first time here in Jamaica for Best Weekend. And so I think they're enjoying themselves.
I just saw the flyer and I was like a Western soiree, no problem. I'm gonna do Western sexy.
Yeah, and you pull it off. Right?
Money rank and stupid and we fly. Spend pump. Spend pump.
Bite-sized close-up.
It's more for the girls, but we try. I'm lucky I even got here. I don't know how I got here. I'm on 3 hours sleep. Somehow, God's grace, we made it, bro. But I'm ready. We're active, bro. We're active. Next weekend, we still go through. We're drinking heavy.
And how affordable was it to come out to party?
You know what? I'm from London. In comparison, so cheap. Like, in London, you don't get all-inclusive. You don't get food. You have to pay for that yourself. So when you work out, like, the return on investment, amazing. Like, I will come every year.
I did not have any energy. We just got to keep pushing. Just keep drinking, keep pushing, and hope for the best.
And are you here for the whole party series?
Yes, I'm here for every single party. Everyone has to see me, energy or not.
And which party are you most looking forward to?
Zimmy, I have to see Zimmy. I'm looking forward to that one the most.
I'm into fashion, so milk and honey for me.
Everyone's talking about Zimmy, sir. Everybody's saying about Zimmy, sir. That one, in the water, bro, if you see me on camera, it's not me. It's not me.
I just moving with the crowd, you know, guys, a group of us, you know. So any which party take way, and that's how we are going there.
I like a good beach party, so I'm ready to shake my little tail feather. Best weekend ever!
Road marshal among the selectors at daybreak.
Cartel and Shensia, Masika and Ilangoli, Armani Wallop, Sheen Works and Fambo Give Thanks. Right now, them 4 songs there are some of the hottest songs.
This a girl I want travel, this a girl I want model. Give her money cause she expensive, but this a girl I want travel.
In the pink at Milk and Honey, a long way from the Big Apple.
Milk and Honey started in New York. The first one in 2016 we had about 300 people, and now it's just amazing. Milk and Honey focuses on women and fashion, and ladies love it.
How would you rate these outfits?
Well, I don't know, you don't know, it's a statement piece, yeah.
It's all custom, all the way from Nigeria.
You gotta come out looking fly, looking good, smelling good, sexy, seductive.
When you come in Best Weekend, this is one of the parties that everybody look forward to because this is where you get to show your fashion sense, you know? And tonight, as I can see, I'm showing mine.
I'm gonna look good, look classy, look demure. Of course, every day, any day. Self-care is very important for us girlies.
And how much would you rate your fit?
I mean, for myself, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. So I kept it pretty simple and cute and budget friendly.
Noah Power, one of 15 selectors spinning over Best Weekend ever.
See a girl, she look good, compliment her, give her 2 jokes, people laugh. You just have to break the ice. In anything where you do, break the ice. Me know how to work a crowd and work an audience.
Zimmy, Beach, no missing this one. Elephant Man and Idonia sure weren't. Other stars also present. Puerto Rico filling up early, soon becoming absolutely jammed. Standing room only even in the shallows. For those soon to fly out, the tropical backdrop perfect for pics. Not everyone opting to mingle, but a fun vibe all round. Friends saying hi, and of course, the party well stocked.
Sales tend to be seasonal depending on what's going on. So stage shows, that's different thing, and different products will definitely be highlighted. But overall, when you talk about Jamaicans and our personality, we really like to show up with our own bottle. And so Don Julio, Johnny Walker shows up, as well as Casamigos in both spaces.
And how has your partnership been with Best Weekend ever?
It's been a really awesome partnership. I must commend the network and the Best Weekend team overall, their professionalism, how they've really followed through. You know, we plan this thing weeks, months in advance. We check every site, we check every safety issue, we check everything. We do walkthroughs, we make sure that it's a safe and fun weekend for everybody.
Every selector with a game plan.
Always get the girls on your side. Once you have the girls on your side, nobody's gonna be mad, nobody's not gonna vibe. Because once the girls are okay, the fellas are okay too. Yes, we can have an artist, yes, the liquor can sell, but the music and the entertainment is what keeps the party going at all times.
Season band or single ticket, Zimise Beach bursting at the seams.
The best party. If you don't go to anything else, Zimmy is where you need to be.
I like this one the best.
Milk and honey, man, are the best one. Sell off. Clothes, everything, ambience, everything. Milk and honey.
I'm not going to be biased, but I always enjoy milk and honey. So I dressed up. I did my little modern Bridgerton thing, you know? So I hope I nailed it.
Because honestly, I love the dress up, the pink. I love to go out with my girls. It was that kind of party.
I love soca. Turned up. I love soca.
I know Soca was low-key lit. Yeah. Down at I love Soca, I'm not gonna lie. Everybody was there for a good time. Daybreak was cute with the costumes on.
I just really think it's the best weekend ever. Like, every party has been so lit.
I would say Daybreak, but let's see. It's my first time here at Zimmy, so let's see what Zimmy has to offer.
But Zimise Beach at Puerto Seco also likely to be remembered for ugly scenes of thuggery. At least 2 revelers viciously beaten, which continued apparently without any security guards or police intervening, and music continuing to play during the incident. What started out with one man being splashed with water rapidly escalated. A youngster who attempted to calm things down ended up being a target of the unprovoked assault, as was a male companion, both in their teens. No one was arrested during the incident or its immediate aftermath. Organizers issued a statement decrying the violence, but concerns voiced around Zimise Beach being oversold. Speaking on behalf of BWE, however, PR consultant Dania Beckford put the crowd number at far less than some have estimated on social media.
Approximation of between 5,000 and 6,000.
So it would not be more than 6,000?
I don't want to confirm and deny because I haven't seen the exact numbers in this moment, but that's what we were prepared for.
Did the promoter set a limit beyond which no one else would be admitted? Because it seemed the party was packed beyond packed.
And actually, Anthony, for Zimmy, it's actually less people because what we did this year is that we did not sell tickets at the gates and we announced that a week before the event. And 2 days before the event, we put up the sold out. So it was actually less people than we had in that venue this year. But as you can see, when you see the footage, persons like to be condensed in one area. And that's right in front of the DJ. So that's where most people are because the venue can actually hold more people, but we know where they want to stand up. So we ensure that we did not oversell.
But crowd control does become an issue if there are just too many people there, and it seemed like you couldn't move. Even people in the water couldn't move.
Yeah, crowd control does come into play, and one of the things that we've learned from this is that, one, even though we had security and enough, there has to be more.
Where was security, and why was music still playing throughout the incident?
Security was actually on the ground, but as I said to you, we're in sand, we're in water. It took them a little while to get there. Also, hindsight is 20/20 vision, as you know. The DJ also, he turned down the music to announce it, and when he recognized that the security wasn't getting there in time, that's when the music was turned off for a period of time.
No one held at Zimmy for the beatings.
Well, we were unable to identify them, but what I must say is that I'm really happy for the videos. I mean, videos like that would be a PR nightmare, but in any other situation, Anthony, I'm quite happy that many persons have the videos from different angles because that is how we have the faces of the persons. Wanted posters have been up. Day before yesterday, one person was caught at the airport and is up for identification parade, and today, Thursday, a second person has been caught. So I expect, and I'm very much hoping, that the public continues to help us as we help the authorities to catch all of them that were involved.
Teens that were there were under 18, Dania. Why were they let in? Isn't ID checked at the gate?
Well, in Jamaica, it's 18 years and older to drink, not necessarily 18 years old and older to party. We have ensured that our bar staff knows that if it is that you see anybody coming to the bar, that you in your mind said, listen, this person looks too young, you ought to ask them for an ID. However, if tomorrow the nation says ID for everybody to come into an event, we will definitely obey.
But at the bar, it has to be a requirement. Show me your ID or you can't get a drink.
We will do it. If it is that this is the requirement, we'll definitely do it.
Reputationally, what harm you think has been done to one best weekend ever to Jamaica Beach?
Well, I think that both brands have a strong reputation because persons know that we do create premium events, and this was our 6th event on a 7-event destination series. This incident happened and we learned from it. Yes, persons saw and recognized that, you know what, maybe we should have had a little bit more security in the condensed area, but at the same time, they know that we deliver a good event. And so I believe that the reputational damage is minimal.
Sadly, memories taken away this time will be about the brawl.
Unfortunately. But we're coming back next year, and we're coming back with proof that we've put these things in place to ensure everybody is safe.
Most party patrons from here and abroad would have had a blast over best weekend ever, but violence at Jamaica Beach raising questions around venue, crowd control and surveillance at what has easily become one of the most popular party series in Jamaica. Questions which organizers have vowed to address.